Spring has sprung, birds are chirping, flowers are blooming, the air is filled with the sweet scent of new beginnings. It's that magical time of year when everything feels fresh and full of potential. But wait, there's one thing that's still stuck in the past. Guess what that is? It's your driveway. Ugh, it still looks like winter threw up on it. The remnants of snow, ice, and all that winter debris are still clinging on for dear life. It's like a stubborn guest that just won't leave. Months of grime, salt, and pollen have taken their toll. Your once pristine driveway now looks like a battlefield. The layers of dirt and muck are a constant reminder of the harsh winter months. It's not just unsightly, it's downright depressing. It's time to reclaim your castle's curb appeal. Imagine pulling up to your home and being greeted by a clean, inviting driveway. It's like rolling out the red carpet for yourself every day. Your home deserves to shine, and so do you. Nothing says fresh start like blasting away the winter gunk with a powerful jet of water. It's not just about cleaning, it's about renewal. The sheer force of the water can strip away months of grime in seconds, revealing the beauty beneath. And I'm not talking about your garden hose, folks. That little trickle won't cut it. You need something with real muscle, something that can tackle the toughest dirt and grime without breaking a sweat. We're talking serious cleaning power. Power washing. This is the big leagues of cleaning. With a professional power washer, you can transform your driveway from drab to fab in no time. It's like having a magic wand for your home exterior. Trust me, once you see that sparkling clean concrete, you'll be hooked. It's incredibly satisfying to watch the dirt and grime just melt away. You'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. It's like giving your home a mini makeover without breaking the bank. A clean driveway can make a world of difference in your home's overall appearance. It's a simple, cost-effective way to boost your curb appeal and make your home the envy of the neighborhood. So let's gear up and get ready to unleash the cleaning fury. Grab your power washer, put on your favorite playlist, and let's make that driveway sparkle. It's time to say goodbye to the winter blues and hello to a fresh, clean start. Before we unleash the watery fury, let's talk safety. Safety is paramount when dealing with power washers, and it's essential to take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and those around you. Power washers are powerful tools, and like any power tool, they need to be handled with respect. The high-pressure water stream can cause serious injuries if not used properly. First things first, protect yourself. Always wear the appropriate safety gear. This includes safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris and gloves to protect your hands from the high-pressure water. Wear safety glasses to shield your eyes from flying debris. Even small particles can cause significant damage if they hit your eyes at high speed. Long pants and closed-toe shoes are a must. These will protect your legs and feet from any accidental sprays or flying debris. Trust me, you don't want to be wearing sandals when that spray kicks back. The high-pressure water can easily cause cuts and bruises if your feet are not properly protected. Now for the fun part, the power washer itself. It's important to understand the different types of power washers and how to use them safely. There are two main types, gas-powered and electric. Each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Gas-powered models pack more punch but can be a bit trickier to handle. They are ideal for larger, tougher cleaning jobs but require more maintenance and care. Electric ones are easier to use, but you'll need a nearby outlet. They are perfect for smaller, more manageable tasks, and are generally quieter and lighter. Pick the right nozzle for the job. The nozzle you choose will determine the pressure and spray pattern of the water. A wider nozzle is great for general cleaning, covering a larger area with a gentler spray. This is ideal for washing cars, windows, and other delicate surfaces, while a narrower one delivers a more concentrated blast for stubborn stains. Use this for tough jobs like cleaning concrete, brick, or removing paint. Always start with a wider nozzle and switch to a narrower one if needed. Alright, let's tackle that driveway. Start by clearing away any loose debris like leaves or sticks. You don't want to be launching projectiles with your power washer. Now connect your garden hose to the power washer and select a wide-angle nozzle. Hold the nozzle about 18 inches away from the surface and start washing. Keep the nozzle moving in a steady, sweeping motion, overlapping each pass slightly. Don't stay in one spot too long, you could damage the concrete. Work your way systematically across the entire driveway and watch the grime disappear. Grease be gone, conquering stubborn stains. Got some stubborn grease stains from your car? These can be a real eyesore and tough to remove with just soap and water. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution for you. No problem, we can handle those too. With the right tools and techniques, even the most stubborn stains can be conquered. For tough stains, switch to a narrower nozzle for more concentrated cleaning power. This will help you focus the water pressure on a smaller area, making it easier to break down the grime. Before you blast away, try pre-treating the stain with a degreaser. This step is crucial as it helps to break down the grease and oil, making it easier to wash away. Let it sit for a few minutes to loosen up that grime. The longer you let it sit, the more effective it will be in breaking down the tough stains. Then, hit it with the power washer, keeping the nozzle a bit closer to the stain. The high-pressure water will help to lift the loosened grime away from the surface. You might need to make a few passes, but be patient. Persistence is key when dealing with stubborn stains. Each pass will remove more and more of the grime. With a little elbow grease, or should I say power washer grease, those stains won't stand a chance. Your driveway will look as good as new, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you did it yourself. So next time you see those stubborn stains, don't stress. Just remember these tips and tackle them head on. Happy cleaning. Porch perfection, welcoming entryway awaits. Now that your driveway is sparkling, let's give that front porch some love. The same principles apply here. Clear away any furniture or loose debris, use a wide-angle nozzle for general cleaning, and switch to a narrower one for tougher stains. Be careful around delicate areas like railings and trim. You don't want to cause any damage. And here's a pro tip: use a cleaning solution specifically designed for your porch material: wood, concrete, or composite. This will help remove dirt and grime without harming the surface. Sparkling results. Happy you enjoy your clean castle. Step back and admire your handiwork. Your driveway and porch are sparkling clean, and your home has that fresh, just washed glow. It's amazing what a little power washing can do. Not only does it look great, but it also helps protect your investment by preventing mold, mildew, and other nasty stuff from taking hold. Plus, it's just plain satisfying. Like, subscribe, and power up your life. So there you have it. Power washing, it's not just for professionals anymore. With a little know-how and the right tools, you can achieve professional-grade results right at home. Liked these tips? Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome home improvement hacks. Now go out there and power up your life.